How to read bass cliff note. One thing is sure, the more you read, the easier you read. So here is the bass cliff music. You see skip and octave movement. Play the music repeatedly and memorize the positions. Thank you. Let's listen the music first, and we see sheet music and finger positions. Let's see the sheet music. There are 2 pages of sheet music. This is the first page. Feel free to download the sheet music from our website. Here is how your fingers move and where the positions are.